So we got to really get into this wealth building. See, wealth has to be a priority, right? I'm going to go over business credit really quick, but wealth has to be a priority. It has to be a priority, right? Like Nadia said, the life insurance has to be a priority. You having your own business, you has to be a priority, right? Your priority should not be, if I don't have any money, let me go get another job. No, 2 jobs, 2 people, right? So wealth needs to be number 1. All other is credit. And what did I say about employees? Most employees have bad credit because they don't got time to think about building credit, right? They don't have time for that, right? So, right? The best is 850. The worst is 300. Anything in between is okay.